Hello, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today, in this video, we are going to talk about the introduction of data science. What are the roles and responsibilities of a data scientist?
What is data science? You can have data without information, but you cannot have information without data. Daniel Keyes Marone. So, how can you get the information from the data? To answer this problem, data science comes into picture, which involves various processes to get the information from the data. So, what is data science? Data science is a field of computer science which combines the study of statistical analysis, machine learning programming, and domain expertise to gather actionable insights and knowledge from structured and unstructured data. Various processes involved, such as data collection, cleaning, exploration, modeling, and interpretation to help make informed decisions. Aspect data science data analysis. Scope includes data analysis, machine learning, data engineering, and advanced algorithms. Primarily on analyzing historical data to understand trends and patterns. Goals develops models and algorithms to make predictions, automate processes, and discover hidden patterns. Provides insights and visualizations to help interpret data, often used for reporting and decision-making. Techniques uses complex methodologies such as deep learning, natural language processing, NLP, and big data technologies. Uses statistical methods, descriptive and inferential statistics. Tools: Python, R, SQL, Hadoop, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Excel, SQL, Tableau, Power BI. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, share this video to your friend and also make sure to like the video, and don't forget to subscribe the video. Till then, bye bye, we'll meet in next video.